Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change column size in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to change column size. This Publisher document, firstly insert a column, table, then go to the insert menu, then click the table option and insert a table. Now we can see we insert a table. Now we want to change the column size of this table. Select the column line option and we can see here show a icon. Now we move this icon to change the column size and we can see we change the column size very easily. You can try some another columns. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.